Welcome back. Let's take you straight across to Manish Sisodia, who has come out to cast his vote. It's a big day today in the national capital as the Delhi voters are going to decide who will govern for the next 5 years. Manish Sisodia casting his vote. Remember, he is contesting from the Jangpura constituency, a shift from his previous constituency, which was Patparganj. So he offered prayers at the Kalkaji temple early in the morning, after which he has come out to cast his vote. In fact, earlier today, he was at the Kalkaji temple where he offered prayers and now casting his vote for the elections. Today is a big day where a decision will be made by the people of Delhi. Some of the key issues that have dominated headlines for the elections have, of course, been corruption. It has been development in Delhi, the cleanliness of Yamuna, as well as the air pollution. These are some of the key issues that people will be thinking of when they cast their vote. It's a three-way battle for the BJP, whether it can end its 27-year wait or not, and for the Aam Aadmi Party, whether it can make a comeback again this time around, and of course for the Congress Party, it is going to be about survival and the number of seats that it can bring in. Manish Sisodia there in the visuals casting his vote. He's expected to speak to the media as well. There you have it, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi showing the inked finger and making an appeal to voters across Delhi to come out and cast their vote. In fact, that's the appeal that we want to give out as well. If you're a voter in Delhi, go out and vote.